Hey, good morning, Patriots. Today is Monday, March 15th, and we're starting a new 9 weeks. So this is your last 9 weeks of the year. You'll be moving on after this 9 weeks is over. Either to you seventh graders will be going to eighth grade, and you eighth graders will be moving on to the high school. If what you'll notice when you log into your modules is that the only thing you see is you're going to see March 15th. The modules for the last 9 weeks are no longer going to be available to you, okay, because those grades are closed out. We're going to be starting a curriculum called Paxton Patterson. It is a system that's going to go over some new distance learning material with you, okay. Again, we're still in our COVID-19 social distance protocol, so a lot of the hands-on activities we're unable to do still. So we've got an alternative to that by using the Paxton Patterson distance learning modules. Okay, so you're watching the March 15th message, and the first thing we're going to look at is new student distance learning navigation. Okay, so when you click on that, it's going to take you to this screen right here. Okay, this is a video that you're going to need to watch. Okay, this kind of gives you a rundown of creating your account for your distance learning module in Paxton Patterson. Okay, and this is the introduction and account setup. When you click next, it's going to give you the step-by-step instruction for the setup. And then here is the distance learning 1 introduction. All right. And then finally, this is what you're going to do to create your account. This is what I want you guys to do this week. This is going to be your grade for the week. If you get your account set up and you're properly entered into the course, that is going to be your free 100 for the week. Okay. So what you're going to do, you're going to launch this link right here. You can click on it and you can actually double click and open it into a new tab. Okay. You're going to enter your school email. Make sure you enter your school email correctly, or else it won't sync with the course. Okay. Your password is going to be your lunch number. Whether you put a 0 in front of it or not, your password is going to be whatever your lunch number is. Okay, once you put that in, you're going to click the Create button. Once you click the Create button, it's going to ask you to confirm your password. Just re-enter the exact same lunch number. Click Create. Then it's going to ask you to type in your first and last name. Your last name and then your first name. This is very important here. I want you to type in your last name and first name exactly how it is in PowerSchool. Okay, just how it is in PowerSchool. Okay, then it's going to ask you to re-enter your email. The next thing it's going to ask you to enter the course code. Your course code is 5ZVPQBQQ. Once you've entered that course code, the easiest thing to do is just copy and paste it into there. You're going to click Start Learning. Okay. Once you click Start Learning, that's going to register you into the course. Okay. Once you've completed this, I'll get a notification that you've enrolled, and you're going to get your 100 for the week. Okay. So again, the most important thing is this week that you watch these videos in this module and you get your account created. Once you've got your account created this week, you guys are done for the week. Okay. And we will actually start our first unit in this module next week. All right. That's it for me this morning. I hope you guys have a great day and a great week. And as always, if you need anything from me, you can always email me, or you can also message me in Canvas. Okay, whatever's easier for you guys. All right, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.